Once upon a time, there lived a sister and two brothers in an old cottage by the edge of the sea. They were very poor and had no one to take care of them. They had to survive on their own. They helped people who were in need around their neighborhood and earned some small money which was given to them in appreciation of their noble gesture. One day,
Brother, you both are going out again today, leaving me alone.
Of course, that's our job. If we don't help others and our body, how will we eat?
very true. Look here, Jessica. The three of us are very young, but we have to work hard so that we can survive.
I understand, brother, but I also want to work with you. I feel bored and very lonely in the house. The whole day I only sit and play with my kitty toys. I have nothing else to do.
No, we cannot take you with us.
Thank you, Edward.
You're welcome. You won't be able to carry heavy things. You are too young to do this kind of work.
But both of you are also very young to carry such huge loads for the people. If we all work together, then we can earn more money, isn't it?
No, you are not allowed to work at this young age. Now listen to what your brother says. So every day, Peter and Edward went out to help their neighbors, leaving Jessica behind. One day, Jessica fell ill, and Edward had to stay at home to take care of her.
Peter, today you have to go alone for work. Jessica's very sick, so I have to be alone with her. And please be careful as people will find a way to trick you or take advantage of you.
Yes, Edward, I will be careful and you also take good care of Jessica. I hope she will be okay by this evening.
Don't worry, brother. I will be fine. You please take care.
You are back, Peter. How was your day? Did you get anybody?
No, brother. I waited the whole day but no luck. Anyway, how is she?
She's still sick. I don't think she'll get well by tomorrow. So you'll have to go to work alone again tomorrow.
Water.
What will we do? If she is still sick tomorrow, then
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Go get some rest. I will think about it tomorrow.
okay, good night. The next day. Good morning. Today I will try my best to earn some money.
You need to, as we only have 2 slices of bread and a bit of cheese.
Take care, sister. I will be back home soon.
Okay, brother.
Son, will you please help me? I can't carry this luggage. It's very heavy. Sir, that luggage is double my size. I feel that you should call another strong and young person too. I can do that, but I feel you're the right person. And you can call me Grandpa. Grandpa, I don't think I can do it. I think it is. Yes, my dear. You can do it. See, you're just looking at the size of the bag. Actually, it's not that heavy. And I will pay you in return. Okay, Grandpa. Let me try.
After walking for a long time, they reached the old man's house. Peter helps him to carefully take the bags into the house. And in return, he pays and talks to him about the 3 wishes.
Thank you, my son. This is for your hard work. You have been very kind and helpful. So, I have decided to grant you 3 wishes. Thank you, Grandpa. Wishes? What wishes? Grandpa, these things only happen in fairy tales. I don't believe in these things. But I should warn you that wishes do not always give what you really want.
Peter gets busy counting the money and fails to hear the warning of the old man. All he hears is the bit about the 3 wishes. He goes back home happily, in great excitement, narrates the incident to his brother and sister, who gets furious.
Why were you so late? We were worried about you.
Brother, today I met an old man and I helped him. He has granted me 3 wishes. In front of him, I acted like I don't believe in wishes, but I really want to wish, and I want to wish for...
Stop this nonsense, Peter. We need money to survive, not wishes.
I got money as well. See? He said he has granted me wishes too.
I guess he was trying to fool you.
Oh my dear sister, how is your health now?
She's fine now. Have your dinner and go to sleep.
I am hungry. I wish this plate was full of sausages. No sooner did the words come out of his mouth, there was a wonderful smell, and there in front of him was a plate full of sizzling sausages. He was delighted and reached for his knife when his brother yelled at him.
Why couldn't you have wished for something better? We could have had chests of gold and fine suits to wear. Stupid fool. I wish the sausages got stuck to the emperor's nose.
There was a ghastly silence as his sister looked at his brother. Hanging from his end of his nose was a great string of sausages. Peter remembered what the old man told him. 3 of them started pulling the sausages, but they could not get the sausages off his nose. Finally, they gave up.
We have been trying to pull out the sausages for a long time, and it's not helping. I guess we need to find a solution for this.
These sausages will disappear. Everything vanished in a flash. They all sat very sadly. The sausages were gone, so were the wishes, and they still hung poor and hungry. If they had only believed in the old man and had thought wisely, their life would have changed. From then, they decided to have a better understanding amongst each other and always think with a clear head.